Imagine a creature that can live forever. Meet the Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. Today, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of this unique marine species, exploring their secrets and the science behind their potential immortality. It's a topic filled with intrigue and wonder, shedding light on the mysteries of nature. The Turritopsis dohrnii, often known simply as the immortal jellyfish, is a small species found in the Mediterranean Sea and Japanese waters. These creatures are remarkable not just for their ability to potentially live forever, but also for their distinct characteristics. Typically, they are small in size, with a bell that can shimmer with a range of colors. Their behavior and physical traits set them apart from other jellyfish species, making them a subject of significant scientific interest. The life cycle of a typical jellyfish might seem straightforward, but the Turritopsis dohrnii defies these norms through a process known as transdifferentiation. This incredible biological mechanism allows the jellyfish to revert to its earlier life stage, essentially starting its life cycle anew. This process of cellular reversion is a key focus of marine biological research, with numerous studies and experiments aiming to unravel just how this jellyfish can escape death. Through the insights of marine biologists and detailed scientific analysis, we continue to learn more about this extraordinary creature and the broader implications of its longevity. Let's delve into the role of Turritopsis dohrnii in the marine ecosystem. This jellyfish, through its unique ability to revert to a juvenile state, impacts its own population dynamics and the surrounding environment. Now imagine the implications for human medicine and science. Studying this jellyfish could lead to groundbreaking advances in aging research and regenerative medicine, offering insights that could one day transform our approach to health and longevity. Despite the potential, researchers face significant difficulties in studying these remarkable jellyfish. The limitations of our current knowledge pose ongoing mysteries that intrigue scientists worldwide. Looking ahead, scientists are eager to unravel more about these creatures. They hope to discover new aspects that could further illuminate our understanding of biology. There's a growing call to action for enhanced support in marine biology research, emphasizing the need for more in-depth studies. To summarize, the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, showcases unique characteristics that are not only fascinating, but also critically significant in science and medicine. Reflecting on the wonders of nature and the boundless potential of scientific discovery, we're reminded of the importance of staying curious and continuing to explore the unknown. I encourage you all to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into the mysteries of our world. Stay tuned for our next video or series, where we'll dive even deeper into the marvels of marine life.